Unraveling the Mystery, Adverb Clauses of Place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on mastering the English language. In this video, we're diving into an important aspect of English grammar, specifically under adjective and adverb clauses. We're looking at adverb clauses of place. Understanding adverb clauses is key to strengthening your conversational skills and to describe people, places, and things more effectively. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly are adverb clauses of place? They are simply subordinate clauses that act as adverbs, modifying a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Specifically, an adverb clause of place tells us where something happens. They usually start with conjunctions such as where, wherever, or anywhere. Here's a simple example to illustrate. I will follow you wherever you go. In this sentence, wherever you go is the adverb clause of place, telling us where the action of following will take place. Forming adverb clauses of place isn't as complicated as it might seem. As with any other clauses, these also contain a subject and a predicate. The structure typically looks like this: main clause plus where, wherever, anywhere plus subject plus verb. Here's another example. The kids play where the grass is green. The clause, where the grass is green, specifies the place of the action, play. The beauty of adverb clauses of place is that they can be used at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Let's look at two examples. 1. The team held a party where they won their first championship. 2. Where there's a lot of noise, you'll find my little brother. The placement depends on what you want to emphasize. In the first sentence, the emphasis is on the party, while in the second, the emphasis is on the place. Practicing what you've learned is the key to mastering any new concept. So, let's do some practice exercises together. 1. She left her keys, blank. How can we complete this sentence using an adverb clause of place? How about, she left her keys where she had lunch? 2. You can find peace, blank. How about, you can find peace wherever you find understanding? 3. We will meet you, blank. A possible answer could be, we will meet you where the two roads intersect. Well, that wraps up our discussion on adverb clauses of place. Understanding and using these clauses will surely boost your English proficiency, helping you to describe where things happen more precisely. As always, practice makes perfect, so keep using these clauses in your daily conversations. Thanks for joining me today. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!